Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to give a basic overview of Google Chats. So starting off with DMs, you can just message anyone you wish. And you can also type text in bold. And in order to do that, you have to do Command or Control B. If you're on Windows, then it's Control, and for Mac users, it's Command. You can do italicize by Command I or Control I, and underline with Command or Control U. And as you can see, it worked. You can also expand this, and you can see a larger view of the whole chat. You can send any kind of emoji you wish that is available, and there's also more text options over here. If you just press this formatting option button here, and you can upload pictures, send videos, and you can even send GIFs. In order to search for a message, you can just press this search button here and try searching something up from the chat, and over here, as you can see, it just highlights whatever the message was. In order to delete the conversation, you can press the three dots here and delete conversation. You can also have Google Meets. You can create one, you can join one, and with the spaces section, you can also make group chats with multiple people. Yeah, that was a quick overview of Google Chat.